Okay, I'm doing a quick review of this JC20 LED 20 watt infrared illuminator. I bought this on eBay from a seller named Fanteller. First thing I did when I got it was plug it in and turn it on. I'm going to cover up the sensor there. Okay, so it's on now, and I found it's only drawing 4.7 watts. It should be drawing at least 20 watts if it's 1 watt per LED. If I flip it over here, and I've got the whole thing taken apart. It's listed as 20 watts, 12 volt, that's what I'm giving it. I have a 12 volt, 2 amp power supply over there. It's just not drawing as much power as it should be. So I took it apart, and I looked at the circuitry and followed it around. And a few problems. First, it looks like the driver board, I suspect they copied this driver board from another product that might have been a 5 watt LED driver or something. And then I also drew out the schematic from the LEDs, and amazingly they're running 3 in series, but then I guess in order to accommodate 20 instead of 18 LEDs, they've just strangely put 2 in parallel next to each other, which is pointless. There's no way you could drive this one at 1 watt and then also drive this one at 1 watt and this one at 1 watt. These will share current. So this is just a broken design. So don't buy it. Again, this is JC Infrared Illuminator. The seller is Fanteller, but there's a bunch of sellers selling these right now. Also, when I got it, it's super lightweight, like super thin metal. It doesn't seem terribly waterproof. These are 1 watt LEDs, and they've got these little things that snap over top of them. It just seems flimsy. I'm comparing it to this, which is a Univivi illuminator, which is 18 watts, so it has 18 LEDs. This one weighs about twice as much. The metal's twice as thick. The entire circuit board inside is completely conformally coated in like an epoxy, so it's completely waterproof, and it actually draws exactly as much power as it's supposed to draw. So this is what I'm using for all my installs. Don't buy the JC product. It's called JC Infrared Illuminator, but the manufacturer seems to be Heng, and there's a bunch of other sellers. Here I've got eBay pulled up. This is the product I bought, and here you can see another seller, Rapid Commerce, is selling it. But look at all these other sellers selling the same stuff. I'm gonna guess that all these might have the same problem, so I'd just keep away from it. The Univivi stuff it seems far superior. So again, that's the JC Infrared 20 watt illuminator. Piece of junk.